Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. Thumbnail was from last night, and apparently that's Bear's new sitting position. I can't see how that's anything comfortable. I have a bed on top of the toolbox, but apparently that's better than a soft bed. I don't know. Lisa has projects going on outside, and I'm supposed to help her gather stuff up and do a little cleanup, so I'm kind of scared to start working on anything. Because she keeps telling me she's coming out to move the truck to load stuff up. And you know, I've been gone for over a week, and happy wife is a happy life. So, I don't know, let's see what she comes up with. I can't believe Bear. That can't be comfortable, Bear. I don't know. Let me see what else I can come up with for tonight. Oh, I did buy one of those sheet metal cutters that you put on a drill, but it hasn't showed up yet. Hopefully I didn't freaking buy it from the wrong company. You know, I was up north. It looked like a good deal, so I bought it. We'll see. So yeah, let's see what Lisa's doing. Well, guys, something ain't right. Oh, there we go. I've been wee whipping. Cleaning down the side of the garage. Not really sure why there's a baby buggy here, but clean her up. Right there's where I gotta put my. Right there's where I gotta put my freaking garage for the air compressor. So I gotta move this stuff over a little bit. Lisa wanted this all cleaned up, so I got been wee whipping and cleaning. I know it's not a car video. I'm trying, guys. Anyways, I've been plotting and planning. Hi, Maxie. Oh yeah, fans are running. I'm thinking about running some boards across from that post to that one. It'd be above the bench. I'll have a little more storage. And it's over 6 foot, so I won't hit my head on it. Maybe hang a light on it. So yeah. I almost got that side cleaned up so I can figure out what size of a shed I could do for that air compressor. And I think I might run some boards across there. I gotta get the rest of the toolbox in here. But hey, one day at a time. Alright, side tent's cleaned up. And I pretty much have the spot for the little garage for the air compressor. I do the wheel back on. Yeah, it's kind of hard to do, but she's a roller again. I need to push it out and clean all this stuff up. I put the welder over here for now. But yeah. I got another night of cleaning. What can I say? Winter's coming. So I got to try and get her where I can work on her. Even though it's... Oh, there's Max. Even though it's 90-some degrees today. Get her cleaned up here for the winter. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow.